Okay, good morning, Shadow Twerkers. It's Heidi Simone, and I am back with some daily messages. Today is January 25th, 2022, and let's get started. If you are new to the channel, we create affirmation videos, tarot videos, meditation videos, and we're currently creating our very own tarot deck called Celebrate Life that features our favorite artists and musicians. So all the information for all those really cool things are going to be down in the description box below. So let's get started with the message for today. We have the Eight of Pentacles. So definitely working on something. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Six of Cups, Eight of Wands. I feel like with the Six of Cups, it talks about like imagination, and childlike wonder. So I feel like maybe you're working on like a childhood dream or a childhood project, and because you're doing that, like it's working. You're getting fast communication, or a lot of people are coming to you, so you might be getting a lot of customers. You might be getting a lot of people that want to work with you. Oh shit. Okay. Or not. With the Hierophant reverse. Okay, so we have the Fool, the Hierophant reversed. So, okay. We'll take the Nine of Swords. Put this back. But 8 and 9. I feel like. Let me see if you see the cards. I think you can see the cards. Let's see. We can move these up a little bit. There we go. Alright. So 3 of Wands. Or maybe, I was about to say, maybe you're not working on old projects. I don't know about this Six of Cups, man. Let's see, not all these cards. More messages. Princess of Swords. Okay, dang, the alien really wanted to come out bottom of the deck. So, in the center of the reading, we have the Hierophant. So, as a matter of fact, okay, I do feel like you're working on a childhood dream and you're doing something that's untraditional. I feel like that's why the Hierophant is reversed. Like it's a new way of doing something for you. Maybe no one in your family has done anything like this, or no one that you know has done anything like this, so you may be feeling a little nervous. But okay, in reverse, feeling constricted, ignoring the advice of others, challenging authority and blazing your own trail, establishing new rituals and traditions. So yeah, I feel like you're letting go of the past and the old way of doing things, and you're making your own way with the Fool and the Hierophant reversed. I feel like you're putting a lot of work into something, you're putting a lot of effort into something for it to grow. And I feel like, let me see this Ace of Pentacles, because I think in this deck it's about like planting seeds. Okay, so in reverse, it means lack of faith and abilities, taking on too many responsibilities, misguided timing, review your ideas and plans for success. So I feel like you may have had this idea to work on something, but you don't have a solid plan in order for it to really flourish the way that you would want it to. So I feel like definitely get a plan together. And with the Three of Wands, I think that's about planning and moving and going some places. Let's see. The Three of Wands grasps the opportunity. Yeah, putting your plan into motion, giving the idea space to breathe and find its own path. Okay. So I feel like it started as an idea, or it started as something that you wanted to change, like you saw a need, and now you're working on changing that. Let me see, Eight of Wands. Because with this Nine of Swords, you're definitely coming out of a lot of like mental frustration or mental strain. So maybe the people around you didn't really support you or didn't really believe that you could do what you're doing. And that caused a lot of stress, and I feel like you're letting that go. Yeah, oh wow, Eight of Wands. I can make this happen. Take initiative. Strive for improvement. Harness all available energy. So, yeah, you're definitely working on improving something that's contradictory to what you've done in the past or what people know of you to do. See this Princess of Cups, not Cups, oh my God, Princess of Swords. I call on you to live your truth. Reverse, being out of balance, re-examine the meaning of life, walk your truth and connect to your philosophy. So yeah, I really feel like you're starting something brand new that people haven't seen you do before. And because you're doing that, and you may feel a little bit uneasy, you may not have a solid plan in motion yet, but I feel like there's a need to be, hey honey, good morning. There's a need to be introspective on this new endeavor that you're creating and you're doing, and to really plan how you're going to be successful. I feel like you have to drop your guard with yourself and really, really figure out how you can turn the situation around so that it works in your favor. But I feel like you're definitely on the right path. You're definitely on the right path. I feel like it's like a startup. And in it being a startup, you're working through trial and error. Overall, I feel like this is a really good reading. I just feel like you're starting something new. You're learning how to do what you're doing. And in learning how to do what you're doing, you're making these adjustments. You're planning and you're planting seeds for growth. And I feel like it's lucrative. Like, I just feel like it's a really good thing. So let's see what moon messages we have for you today. Any advice spirit for the collective? Oh, okay, we'll take these two. Meditate and contemplate, and the end of a tough cycle approaches. So yeah, I feel like really think about how you want to proceed, how you want to move forward in this endeavor, because it's definitely in your favor. I feel like things are in your favor just because you're doing something new and you're doing something different. And I feel like, again, like nobody else is doing what you're doing, or nobody else is going as hard as you, or nobody else is communicating like you. Yeah, you're definitely doing it in a different way. So I feel like it makes you unique. I feel like it makes you special. And then I feel like the end of a tough cycle approaches is because you're letting go of the way that you used to do things. Period. I want to pull one more card. I left it upstairs. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. we're creating an oracle deck, and I'm really excited about it. So this is a test deck for it, and it's called Money Magnet. So we're gonna pull a money card for today and see what we get. Let's see. Money card for the collective, January 25th, 2022. These are way smaller than I thought they would be, y'all. So, don't judge me. Good morning, Sydney. Oh, we got a business trip. So, I feel like maybe that goes in with this planning. Maybe you're going somewhere to plan, or maybe you're planning with other people, or you may be planning this business with people that are far away from you. And maybe, y'all are working together on this new endeavor. But yeah, so that is what I have for y'all today. And until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I'll see you later.